In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Excel. Zapier is a powerful tool that automates repetitive tasks by connecting different applications. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, so let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Zapier homepage. If you're not familiar with it yet, Zapier is an automation platform that connects your applications and services together, allowing them to interact seamlessly. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to click on the Zap icon, which is where all the magic happens, as it's the starting point for creating your automation. Next, click on the Trigger option. The trigger is essentially what sets your automation, or Zap, in motion. Once selected, you'll need to type Excel in the search bar. This is because we want to set up our automation with Microsoft Excel as the starting point. After typing Excel, click on Microsoft Excel from the list of available applications. This will lead you to another option where you need to click on Choose an Event. Here you can select any event that suits your automation needs, such as adding a new row to your spreadsheet. Once you've determined your Excel event, the next step is to click on Connect Microsoft Excel. At this point, you'll be prompted to give Zapier permission to access your Excel files. Click on Accept to allow this connection. This is an essential step to letting Zapier work with your data. Now you want to click on Configure. This is where you'll define what data from Excel will be utilized. Here, look for Choose Value for Workbook. You should select any workbook you have in mind that houses the data you want to automate. It could be your common expense tracker, project spreadsheet, or any other Excel file you frequently use. Similarly, click on Choose Value for Worksheet and select the appropriate worksheet. Let's say this is the worksheet titled January. This worksheet will be the source of information for your triggered automation. Click on Continue to move forward. This action saves your configuration settings and prepares your Zap for testing. The final step in our process is to click on Test Trigger. This is crucial as it ensures that the setup you have configured works perfectly and that there are no issues with data retrieval from your selected Excel workbook and sheet. If the test runs successfully, congratulations! You've just set up a Zapier automation with Excel. With this setup, you can streamline your workflow significantly by automating repetitive data tasks. Keep exploring Zapier's functionalities as they can greatly enhance productivity when used to their full potential. Thank you for watching and happy automating.